Hey there. Today, we're going to look at how to download Fortnite on Android. So let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your Android device. Scroll down and tap on App Management. Then select App List and find your browser, such as Chrome. Tap to open it, scroll down, and enable the option to install from unknown sources. Once that's done, open your browser and search for Epic Games. Tap the official Epic Games website link. On the homepage, tap the store icon located at the top left corner. From the available options, select Fortnite. Scroll down and tap on Download Now. This will download the Epic Games app to your device. When the download finishes, install the app. If prompted, confirm the installation. After installation, open the Epic Games app and log in using your Epic Games account, or create a new one if needed. Once you're logged in, use the search bar inside the app to find Fortnite. Tap on the Fortnite result, and then tap Install, and that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next one.